If you're selling a product, you found the right YouTube channel. My name's Evan, and I've been selling products on the internet since 2018. I've made a little over $6 million in the process by selling on Amazon, Shopify, and into big retailers like Michaels and Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I've learned a lot about e-commerce. I've also learned a lot about content. I've posted over 9,120 videos up to this point. So I'm starting to see the patterns, and I'm learning what works and what doesn't. I've earned just under 2 million followers for Vanader and my arts and crafts company, Scorch Marker, which is the e-commerce brand that I'm continuing to operate. You see, I'm on a journey from 7 to 8 and then to 9 figures. Now I've got a lot to learn and it's going to take some time, but I'm documenting everything that I'm learning right here. Want to learn how to deal with taxes? I got you. Want to know what I know about content creation and how to take your videos and turn them into ads on Facebook? I got you there too. You need to work through pricing strategies, offers, cost of goods, and margin. That's an easy one. Email marketing? No problem. Shipping? I got you. Amazon best practices? Easy. Shopify, website building, LLCs, EINs, S-Corps, paying yourself, hiring contractors, video editing, posting on social media, creating ads. This is the place for you. So if you're selling products on the internet and you want to be a part of a community of like-minded business owners, or maybe you just want to fill in some of the gaps in your knowledge so that you can make more money, watch my videos. They will be helpful. I put hundreds of hours into each one of these, so they're concise, impactful, and actionable. I will not waste your time. I suggest starting right here.